Hi dear students, we have another session of Brainiac's doubt clearance. So here we have a good question in front of you. I hope you could see the question. I will just read the question. Okay, 2 millimolar solution of sodium ferrocyanide is 60% dissociated at 27 degrees Celsius. The osmotic pressure of the solution is. Okay, so let's first we say what is sodium ferrocyanide. Okay, so let me write sodium ferrocyanide, correct? Sodium ferrocyanide. So this compound is, you can see here, Na4, okay, FeCN6. I can put this in bigger bracket. It's a complex compound. Okay, so this is basically the compound. Now they are telling this underwent what actually dissociation, how much amount, 60 percentage dissociation. So 60 percentage dissociation they are telling it. Now what they are asking you to calculate the osmotic pressure pi. So we know that since it is undergoing dissociation, I need to introduce the factor I. So I into CRT, correct? Okay, now we need to calculate now actually what the I value. So they have given the alpha value as 60 percentage. Okay, so alpha is 60 by 100 or zero point 0.6 we know. So what is the relation between I and alpha? So we know that I is equal to 1 minus alpha plus n alpha if the compound undergoes dissociation. So very important, if it is dissociation you need to apply this formula. Okay, if it is dissociation. Now 1 minus, I can apply the formula, that is zero point 0.6, okay, plus I need to calculate the n value. So how will you calculate the n value? Let me say how it dissociates, then it becomes easy to calculate that. So we have the compound Na4, okay, FeCN6. So when it undergoes dissociation, this becomes 4Na plus, correct? Then we can say FeCN6, okay, CN6, 4 minus. So totally how many ions are there? Here 4 is there, here 1 is there. So totally the N value will be 5. So I can substitute this N value here, this 5 into zero point 0.6. Correct? So this will become 0.4 plus 5 into 6, 30. That becomes 3. Then this will become 3.4. So I got the I value. So I value here is 3.4. Okay. Now what do you need to do? You can substitute in our formula pi is equal to I into CRT, correct? So I can substitute there. So pi of the solution is equal to I got it, that is 3.4, and C is the concentration. So concentration they have directly given, it is a 2 millimolar. So 2 millimolar means 2 into 10 power minus 3 molar into R value, it is a universal value. So how much? 0.0821 multiplied by temperature 27 degrees, that is 300 Kelvin. 273 plus 27, so that becomes 300. So if you calculate this pi value, that is the osmotic pressure value, so you will get here the value as 0.167 atmosphere. Okay, so I hope you understood the question. It's very simple. The first case I have done the calculation of I from the degree of dissociation alpha, and I need to calculate the n. How n I am obtaining? I am doing the dissociation and identifying the number of particles. N indicates the number of particles after dissociation. So if it is association, we should see how many particles are combining together. Okay, so I got the n value. From that I calculated the I value. Then I substituted pi is equal to ICRT. So concentration they directly given in millimolar converted to molar. Then R is a constant 0.0821, temperature converted converted to Kelvin, and I got the value 0.167 atmosphere. Okay, whether that is there in the option? Yeah, option C corresponds to that. That is my answer. If you have understood the explanation, please subscribe our channel, like our channel, and if you need any support for NEET exam, we are completely there for you. You can contact Brainiacs classes. Thank you.